Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a closer look at the brand new OnePlus 15, the flagship that promises some serious upgrades. If you're in the market for a premium Android phone, you'll want to stick around. Let's dive in. First up, design and build. The OnePlus 15 appears to bring a refreshed look compared to previous models. Rumors suggest it will feature ultra-thin 1.15mm bezels, giving it a more immersive front display. There are color options like absolute black, mist purple, and a sandstorm finish, which uses micro-arc oxidation for added durability. Overall, it gives a premium feel and looks ready to take on the big players in the space. Now the display. This is where OnePlus is going bold. The OnePlus 15 is reported to have a 6.78-inch, or similar, flat OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution and, get this, 165 Hz refresh rate. That's a serious upgrade over many current flagships. The display also claims improved brightness, better color accuracy, and more power efficiency. If you're a gamer or someone who just wants a super smooth experience browsing, this could be a big win. Under the hood, OnePlus is expected to use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, marking a big step in performance. Battery life is also looking strong. Rumors point to a 7,000 mAh plus battery, around 7,300 mAh for the China version, with support for fast charging around 120 watts wired. What that means for you? More uptime, less worry about running out of power midday, and faster top-ups when you do plug in. Let's talk cameras. The OnePlus 15 is said to have a triple 50-megapixel setup, main, ultra-wide, and periscope telephoto, around 3.5x optical zoom with OIS. OnePlus is also shifting away from its previous Hasselblad partnership and introducing its own imaging engine called Detail Max. Bottom line, OnePlus is clearly upping its game in photography, aiming for more versatility in zoom and clearer results in challenging lighting. So what's the verdict? Pros: excellent display refresh rate and premium build, top-tier performance, very good battery and charging potential, strong camera hardware. On the flip side, these are still early leaks. We'll need to see the real-world numbers, and some specs vary by market. US version may differ. The periscope telephoto lens is great, but the aperture may be a little narrower than last time, which could affect low-light zoom. If all pans out, this could be one of the best value flagship phones of the year. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review of the OnePlus 15, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. See you in the next one.